Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Tapo C210. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is take it up like this, and there you're going to have this button. What you want to do is press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until it's going to start blinking. So you're going to press and hold it. You just have to hear the clicking, like the click there. Now, do you see it? It's going to say reset successful, and you're gonna like take the finger out and you're just gonna wait, and then it's going to like reconfigure again, and this is how you're gonna reset the Tapo C210. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day, and goodbye. And you just have to wait until it's going to reboot. And now it has been rebooted. It's waiting for connection again.